Hello friends, how are you? Friends, today I am going to start a new series of Hanuman Chalisa, English to English. Earlier you have seen Hindi to English and it is English to English because friends many comments I have got and in those comments it was written can't you make such videos of Hanuman Chalisa in which there is direct explanation from Audhi to English so that they may get full chance to listen English speech on spiritual topics. And friend, in last video I promised that yes surely I will make such videos and this is one among those videos. Friends, with help of English to English videos, you may increase your capacity of listening English because friends, speaking English is easier, but listening is not easier because speaking is your own property. You know what you are going to speak, but when you have to listen just then friends, it depends on the person who is speaking English before you because he knows which type of sentence he is going to use. You have to just listen only. So friends, you have to increase the capability of listening English, and if the speech is based on spiritual topics then it is better. And friends, we have to gain English to English knowledge of all our ancient books to make our culture strong. And especially for the students who are preparing for bank, railway, NDA, SSC, Army, Navy, Air Force, or any other competitive level exam. Friends, you have to increase the power of spoken. Friends, because 90% students are made out from interview and group discussion. It is so sad, friends. So friends, every video you please see till last, and on this channel friends everything you will get, and you are getting also uh, Hindi to English also translation ITs, face to face videos I make, grammar ITs, and songs also I translate. So friends, every video you have to see from start to last. Now friends, let's start the video.
श्री गुरु चरण सरोज रज निज मनो गुरु सुधारी बरनउँ रघुबर बिमल जसु जो दायक फल चारि बुद्धिहीन तनु जानिके सुमिरो पवन कुमार बल बुद्धि विद्या देहु मोहि हरहु कलेस विकार।
श्री गुरु चरण सरोज रज निज मन मुकुर सुधार. श्री गुरु चरण सरोज रज निज मन मुकुर सुधार. Friends, in the starting line you are getting the word Sri Guru. When Tulsidas had to write Hanuman Chalisa, he was a little bit afraid. He was afraid that if I write Hanuman Chalisa and there are some mistakes, then Lord Hanuman will be angry on me. And if Lord Hanuman is angry on me, then Lord Sri Ram also will be angry on me because they both are connected deeply to each other. So he was very troubled. He couldn't understand what may I do now. Then he thought that why shouldn't I remember my teacher, because he has taught me how to write, how to speak, how to understand anything. Only he can help me. So that's why he has used the word Guru in the starting line. So friend, the line is Sri Guru Charan Saroj Raj Sri. Friends, we use the word Sri before the name of our elders to respect them. Guru means teacher, Sri Guru. Charan, Charan means feet. If one then foot, if both then feet. Sri Guru Charan Saroj. Saroj means lotus, flower, lotus. Sri Guru Charan Saroj Raj. Raj means dust particle. Sri Guru Charan Saroj Raj Nij. Nij means myself, himself, yourself, yourselves, ourselves, himself, herself. According to situation, in one word you can take, friend. These are reflexive pronoun. Sri Guru Charan Saroj Raj Nij Man. Man means mind, brain, heart. At some places, according to situation, you can take. Sri Guru Charan Saroj Raj Nij Man Mukur. Mukur means mirror. Mirror. Sri Guru Charan Saroj Raj Nij Man Mukur Sudhar. Sudhar means reform. Friends, Tulsidas is saying, Sri Guru Charan Saroj Raj Nij Man Mukur Sudhar. I want to clean the mirror of my mind with dust particle of my teacher's lotus feet. Friends, this line shows that Tulsidas has a great affection to his teacher. Next line is, first is श्री गुरुचरण सरोज रज निज मन मुकुर सुधार बरनौ रघुवर विमल जसु. बरनौ means to describe. बरनौ रघुवर means Lord Ram. बरनौ रघुवर विमल means neat and clean. जसु विमल यशु means name and fame. बरनौ रघुवर विमल जसु जो means which. दायक means gives, which gives. जो दायक फल चार 4 fruits. So the line is बरनौ रघुवर विमल जसु जो दायक फल चार. Tulsidas is saying that I want to describe the good deeds done by Lord Ram, which gives us 4 fruits. In Hindi we can say dharma, arth, काम and moksha. But in English we can say religion, money, wish to work and salvation. So friends, the both lines are श्री गुरुचरण सरोज रज निजमन मुकुर सुधार बरनौ रघुवर विमल जसु जो दायक फल चार. Tulsidas is saying that first I want to clean the mirror of my mind with dust particle of my teacher's lotus feet, and after that I want to describe the good deeds done by Lord Ram, which gives us 4 fruits: religion, money, wish to work and salvation. Friends, at one point we have to consider, in English we use the word religion for Hindi word dharma. Is it right? No friend, it is not right. It is totally wrong, because in our culture dharma, you know very well what is its real sense. And in English religion, what is it? In English the word religion is just sect. It is just one method to show how you are praying. But in our culture, what is dharma? You know very well, and you have to know. We have to know what is the real sense of dharma according to Tulsidas. Friend, it is just duty. Duty of a father to his son. It is dharma of the father. And duty of the son to his father. It is dharma of son. Similarly, duty of wife to husband, husband to wife is their dharma. Duty of a sister to brother and brother to sister is their dharma. Duty of a friend to friend, person to person, person to society, it is their dharma. So friends, the word religion can't bear the real sense of dharma. So friend, in the place of religion, we must use the word dharma in English also. Now friend, next line is बुद्धिहीन तम जान के सुमिरो पवन कुमार बल बुद्धि विद्या देव मोहि हरहु कलेश विकार. बुद्धिहीन तम जान के, बुद्धिहीन means O Lord Hanuman, I know. Tulsidas is saying, O Lord Hanuman, I know. Buddhihin means I have no knowledge. I am totally ignorant. I am full of ignorance. Buddhihin, tan means body. This body is full of ignorance. Tulsidas is saying to Lord Hanuman, Buddhihin tan janike means I know. Janike, I know. Buddhihin tan janke sumiro means to worship, to remember. Pavan Kumar, O the son of Lord Wind. The line is Buddhihin tan janke sumiro Pavan Kumar. O Lord Hanuman, O Pavan Kumar, I know that I am an ignorant person. I am full of ignorance. I know this body is full of ignorance. Buddhihin tan means body. Janki, I know. That's why I pray to you. That's why I worship to you. The line is Buddhihin tan janke sumiro Pavan Kumar. O the son of Lord Wind, I know that I am totally ignorant person. I am full of ignorance. I know it very well. That's why I pray to you. Buddhihin tan janke sumiro Pavan Kumar. Bal buddhi vidya dehu mohi. Bal buddhi vidya, bal force, you can say strength also. Buddhi intelligence, vidya knowledge, bal buddhi vidya dev means please give me, mohi means me, haram means remove, kalesh means miseries, vikar means fault of mind. The line is, previous line is बुद्धिहीन तनु जान के सुमिरो पवन कुमार, बल बुद्धि विद्या देव मोहि हरहु कलेश विकार. Please provide me strength, bal, intelligence, buddhi, and knowledge, vidya, and remove my all miseries and misfortunes and fault of mind. So friend, the combined lines are, बुद्धिहीन तनु जान के सुमिरो पवन कुमार, बल बुद्धि विद्या देव मोहि हरहु कलेश विकार. O Lord Hanuman, I know that I am totally ignorant person. That's why I pray to you. So please provide me strength, intelligence, and knowledge, and remove my all miseries and faults of mind.
जय हनुमान ज्ञान गुण सागर, जय कपीस तिहु लोक उजागर.
जय हनुमान ज्ञान गुण सागर, जय कपीस तिहु लोक उजागर. जय हनुमान, जय, victory to you. Jai means victory to you. Jai Hanuman, O Lord Hanuman, victory to you. Jai Hanuman, ज्ञान गुण सागर, ज्ञान knowledge, गुण qualities, सागर ocean. Jai Hanuman, ज्ञान गुण सागर, O Lord Hanuman, victory to you. You are ocean of knowledge and qualities. Jai Hanuman, ज्ञान गुण सागर. Jai कपीस तिहु लोक उजागर. Jai कपीस, jai, again the word jai, victory to you. Kapis, kapi plus is, kapi means monkeys, ish means god, king, anybody you can take. Jai Kapis means, O the king of monkeys, victory to you. Jai Kapis, tihu lok ujagar. Tihu lok, three words. And what are these three words? Earth, where we live, heaven, where God lives, and the word underground, where devils, demons, etc. live. So तिहुलोक उजागर means well known. So the line is, Jai Hanuman ज्ञान गुण सागर, Jai Kapis तिहुलोक उजागर. Jai Kapis तिहुलोक उजागर. O the king of monkeys, it is well known in all the three words. But what well known in all the three words? That Lord Hanuman is ocean of knowledge and qualities. It is well known in all the three words. So friends, both line combined. Jai Hanuman ज्ञान गुण सागर, Jai Kapis तिहुलोक उजागर. O Lord Hanuman, you are the ocean of knowledge and qualities, and it is well known in all the three words, O the king of monkeys.
रामदूत अतुलित बलधामा, अंजनी पुत्र पवन सुत रामा.
रामदूत अतुलित बलधामा, अंजनी पुत्र पवन सुत नामा. Ramdut means the messenger of Lord Ram. Ramdut, the messenger of Lord Ram. Tulsidas is saying, Ramdut, O Lord Hanuman, you are the messenger of Lord Ram. Ramdut, Atulit. Atulit means nobody can compare you. But in what respect nobody can compare you? In force, in intelligence, and in wit. So the line is, Ramdut Atulit Baladhama. Baladhama means storehouse of power. So the line is, Ramdut Atulit Baladhama means that, O Lord Hanuman, you are the messenger of Lord Ram, and nobody can compare you in force, intelligence, and wit, and you are the storehouse of power. Ramdut Atulit Baladhama. Anjani Putra Pavan Sutnama. Anjani Putra means you are the son of Anjani ji. Anjani Putra Pavan Sutnama. Sut means son. Pavan Sut Nama. Nama means named. Pavan Sutnama means you are also known as the son of Lord Pavan. Friend, the combined lines are, Ramdut Atulit Baladhama, Anjani Putra Pavan Sutnama. O Lord Hanuman, You are the messenger of Lord Ram. Nobody can compare you in force, intelligence, and wit. You are the storehouse of power. You are the son of Anjaneji, and also you are known as son of Lord Pavan.
महावीर विक्रम बजरंगी कुमति निवार सुमति के संगी
महावीर विक्रम बजरंगी कुमति निवार सुमत के संगी. महावीर, महावीर, O Lord Hanuman, you are a great warrior. Mahavir, great warrior. Mahavir, Vikram, Vikram, V plus Kram means you show special valor in battlefield. Mahavir, Vikram, Bajrangi. Bajrangi means your body parts are as strong as thunderbolt. Sky electricity, you can take. So the line is Mahavir, Vikram, Bajrangi. O Lord Hanuman, you are great warrior. You show special valor in battlefield, and your body parts are as strong as thunderbolt. Mahavir, Vikram, Bajrangi. Kumati Nivar, Sumat ke sangi. Kumati Nivar, Kumati means evil thoughts. Kumati Nivar, Nivar means remove. Kumati Nivar, Sumat ke sangi. Sumat means the person having good thoughts, good opinion. Sumat ke sangi, sangi means companion. Kumati Nivar, Sumat ke sangi means that, O Lord Hanuman, you remove evil thoughts of the person who praise you deeply by heart. Kumati Nivar, Sumat ke sangi, and you are the companion of the person having good thoughts, good opinion. So friends, the combined lines are Mahavir, Vikram, Bajrangi, Kumati Nivar, Sumat ke sangi. O Lord Hanuman, you are great warrior. You show special valor in battlefield. Your body parts are as strong as thunderbolt, and you remove evil thoughts of the person, and you are the friend of the person having good opinion, good thoughts. One more line, friends.
विराज सुबेसा कानन कुंडल कुंचित केसा.
कंचन वर्ण विराज सुवेशा कानन कुंडल कुंचित केसा. कंचन वर्ण, कंचन means gold. Kanchan वर्ण, वर्ण means word, body. Kanchan word. O Lord Hanuman, Tulsidas is saying, O Lord Hanuman, your body looks like gold, means it shines like gold. Kanchan vर्ण viraj suvesa. Viraj means you are wearing. Suvesa means nice clothes. Kanchan vर्ण viraj suvesa. O Lord Hanuman, on your golden body you are wearing nice clothes. Kanchan vर्ण viraj suvesa. Kanan kundal kunchit kesa. Kanan kundal kunchit kesa. Kanan, ears. In ears you are wearing heavy earrings, and your hair is curly. Kunchit kesa means your hair is curly. So friends, the line is combined line is Kanchan varna viraj suvesa kanan kundal kunchit kesa. O Lord Hanuman, your body looks like gold. It shines like gold. Kanchan varna viraj suvesa. You are wearing nice clothes. Viraj suvesa, you are wearing nice clothes. Kanchan varna viraj suvesa kanan kundal kunchit kesa. Kanan kundal kunchit kesa means in ears you are wearing heavy earrings and your hair is curly. Friend, Hanuman Chalisa is very long, and next lines we will see in next videos. Pranam. Friends, these are very important notes. Taking its screenshot, friend. You please practice at home. These notes will improve your way of life. And friends, if you like the video, then please like and share it, and also subscribe my channel. Thanks a lot to see the video.